A lot of people ask me, why do I use an adjustable fin box? And my answer usually is, why wouldn't you? I've been using adjustable fins now for 10 years. Started off using the Red-X system, and what I wanted to find out was what happens when you move the fins up and down. Because up until now, what we've done is we've actually had fins being glassed on. Now, who knows where the right position is? So I've been playing around, like I said, with adjustable fin systems for more than 10 years. We've put them in all the tow boards. In fact, in all my own boards, if the fin system's not adjustable, I won't use it. And the reason is, out of my one surfboard here, all these fins right now, that's at 11 and that's at 3.5. That's your classic, that's what just about everybody's using these days. If I want to take my board out and it's a little bit bigger and down the line, I'll move this fin 1/2 inch further forward. So now this becomes 11.5, which is like a 6/8. So now that fin setup is asymmetric. So I've got this fin on this side doing the bottom turn. It's set up as a 6/8. So when I'm surfing bells or winky, I'm doing a nice long bottom turn, but I don't want to do the same long bottom turn off the top. I actually want to have this side at 11 and 3.5 to where I can do a really short radius out of the top. So moving my fins around, I started discovering you can actually get so many different feelings out of one surfboard. In other words, I can feel it feels like a 6/8 on the bottom turn and feels like a 6/0 out of the top. Two different turning radius, and that's generated by where your fins are. So the next thing is, if I was surfing a beach break, which I have and surf a lot of beach breaks, is this back fin. Yeah, this back fin. By moving this back fin, and I'll challenge anyone to do this, this is fine-tuning your equipment in to your own surfing. By moving that fin all the way up there and moving it from 3.5 to 4 inches, this board will now be so loose, I'll be able to surf knee-high waves and it'll feel like a twin fin. The difference in clustering the fins together, the more you cluster them, the looser it gets. The more you pull them apart, the stiffer the board gets. So what you do is, you take your key out in the water with you, and the beauty about this system is, your fins don't fall out. You can actually just loosen the screws off a little and just play around. If I put that back fin there, that's my backhand, that's as stiff as I can get the board. If I'm going left and right and it's medium size, I'll move it up 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch. If I'm going out and it's a really small day and I'm riding lowers or something like that, I'll pop it all the way forward. So adjusting your fins is one of the last frontiers in being able to adjust a surfboard to your own surfing. Take your key out in the water, put it up your wetsuit, put it in your shorts, and go and have some fun and tune your boards into your own surfing.